Are you irritated with Outlook not marking emails as read when clicked? Well, then you are at the right place. We have the solutions for you to complete this process. This is the Windows Club. By default, Outlook does not mark emails as read when clicked, so it can be an issue for some users. But you can get it fixed. So let's get started on how to mark emails as read when clicked. Marking emails as read in Outlook when clicked. Once you have opened Microsoft Outlook app on your PC and click on View Settings. After that, click on Mail and click on Message Handling. Once you are here, you will find Mark as Read. Now under this list, you will come across 4 options that you can now see on your screen. Now select an option as per your liking. Additionally, you will come across a 5th option in the Unread filter. You can check or uncheck the option as per your preference. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.